Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Windows PC is displaying error code 0xc0000142 stating an application was unable to start correctly, it usually indicates corrupted system files, unregistered components, or damaged software installations. I will show you how to repair these application dependencies and fix this launch error right now. Let's get started. First, repairing damaged Windows core files helps resolve the underlying access violations blocking the application. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter to initiate the built-in System File Checker utility. Wait for the verification process to reach 100% and restart your computer to apply the fixes. Next, if the basic file checker fails, you must repair the entire Windows system image using the Deployment Image Servicing tool. Return to your elevated command prompt window by running it as an administrator. Type DISM /online/cleanup-image/restore health and press Enter to begin the image restoration. Allow the utility to download and replace any severely corrupted system dependencies from the Windows Update servers. Finally, if a specific program, like Microsoft Office, is still failing, its individual installation files may be completely damaged. Press the Windows key plus R, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter to open your Programs and Features menu. Locate the problematic application on the list, right-click it, and select either the Change or Repair option. Follow the on-screen wizard to perform an online repair to completely rebuild the software without losing data. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.